done! Oh, we're done!
Whoop. Progress. Progress. All right, Curious Dude here, and we are on kind of version 3 of starting the bus. Had a few adventures along the road here. If you see earlier in the video, we had some issues with backfiring, popping, different things. And well, long story short, turns out that the firing order was a bit out of sorts. When I bought the bus, he said, well, it was running the way it was when I put it away and parked it. I trusted that. And I made the mistake of thinking, you know, that the firing order is 1, 4, 3, 2. And if you read that 1 and you read that backwards, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I had a newbie mistake and I had the couple of plug wires mixed up. So, yep, that happens. And so now that they're all back in order and we have fuel and we have no leaks and we have spark and we have everything adjusted, in fact, we're at TDC. The valves are all set to 6 thou. We're ready to try our first real startup. Let's see how it goes. All right, yep, get started. We're good?
Yep.
So, it's definitely gonna run. Okay.
Got it.
Okay, here we go.